Hi guys, and welcome here on my YouTube channel. In today's video we will unbox the new Unsung Heroes goodie bag from Cultbeauty. Inside the Unsung Heroes goodie bag we will find 22 products worth over £355. Okay, beautiful people, let's open the bag and see the treats. First I took out a face mask from by Dr. A.J. Sternham Decree SOS Revitalizing Mask. This face mask is enriched with antioxidants, hyaluronic acid and silk amino acid to restore the skin barrier, to calm, repair and brighten. You know how much I love face masks, very happy to try this one. Next we find another face mask from Sweet Chef, Beet plus Vitamin A, Fresh Pressed Sheet Mask. This is a ultra nourishing face mask that will refine pores and smooth rough skin. Here we have a full-size product from the brand Audacité. Black Mint Clarifying Cleanser is a gel to foam cleanser which will deeply cleanse the skin, will eliminate excess oil and remove impurities. Well guys, we start very well. Until now we found only full-size products. Very nice. Fourth, we took out a full-size product from NARS. Velvet Matte Lip Pencil in the shade 2485 Good Times. The shade is beautiful, is a warm nude lip pencil, very nice. Next product is from Invisibubble, is a hair scrunchie. Okay. Here we have a full-size mascara from the brand Sweet Pro Lash Lift Mascara in black. I was eyeing on this mascara because it has a very interesting wand, but I have so many mascara to try and because of that I didn't buy it, but now I have it. Next we find a sample from Dr. Dennis Gross Alpha Beta Extra Strength Daily Peel. Inside we have 3 treatments which will help smooth fine lines, minimize the look of pores and improve the appearance of uneven tone and texture. Very happy to try it. Here we have a product from Glow Recipe. Avocado Melt Retinol Eye Sleeping Mask is an eye cream that will brighten, moisturize and smooth the look of fine lines. And this is a full-size product, which is great. Next we find another full-size product from the brand Ameliorate Smoothing Body Exfoliant. This body exfoliant contains lactic acid and gentle beads to gently exfoliate the skin. Here we found a product by the brand Nature Lab. Perfect Repair Leave-In Treatment is a leave-in conditioning foam that restores damaged hair and speeds dry time, and we get 30 ml of a product to try. Next we find a travel size product from Dr. Barbara Sturm Clarifying Mask. This face mask is a must-have for blemish-prone skin, will absorb excess sebum, mattify and clear impurities. Briogeo Don't Despair Repair Strengthening Treatment Hair Oil. Here we have a tiny sample. I tried this product in the past and I like it a lot. Leaves the hair smooth and shiny. Next we find a sample from the brand Allies of Skin. 20% vitamin C, brighten and firm serum. I'm using vitamin C in my skincare routine. Very happy to try this serum too. Here we have a Cultbeauty 15% off gift card. Next we find another full-size product. It's from Huda Beauty. Matte and Metal Melted Shadows is a dual-ended liquid eyeshadow. The matte shade is called Fox Fur, is a nice nude shade, and the metallic shade is called Bamboo Hoops, is a shiny golden shade. I already feel that today's video will be a bit longer than usual. Next we have a sample from the brand Saturday Skin Rub a Dub Refining Peel Gel. Saturday Skin is a new brand for me. I'm very happy to try it. Here we have a full-size cuticle oil from the brand NCLA. It's called So Rich Vitamin E Infused Cuticle Oil. I have and I'm using this cuticle oil. It's very nourishing. I like it very much. Next we find a product from the brand Keys Soul Care Golden Cleanser. We get 30 ml of a product to try. It's a face cleanser that will purify the skin. The packaging looks very nice. Sand and Sky Australian Emu Apple Super Bounce Mask Glow and Plump. Here we have 10 grams of a product. Next we find a product from 1999 Precision Color Pencil in the shade Neutra. This pencil may be used on the lips, cheeks and eyelids. It has a creamy matte finish and a vegan formula. Above the shade is beautiful, and this is a full-size product too. Here we have a full-size product from Nude Sticks Magnetic Lip Plush Paint in the shade Bahama Mama. The shade name reminds me of a song. This is a universal product, may be used on the lips, cheeks and lids. The shade is gorgeous and feels soft, very nice product. And the last product that we find is a sample from the brand MDO. I hope I spelled it right. Intense Hyaluronic Filler Ampoule. Okay, beautiful people, this was the content of the Unsung Heroes goodie bag from Cultbeauty. I am impressed how many full-size products we found. Really interesting goodie bag and great selection of products. I hope you enjoyed today's video. A huge thank you for watching and see you soon. Bye!